What's up, everybody? It's time to switch my hair up because this is just not working anymore. I'm going to be using these orange curlers to put some nice big curls in my hair. Make it look cute. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is section. And I want some hair in the front of my face, even though my hair is probably too long right now for like a bang. I don't care. I still want a little moment. Oop, I just messed it up. But yeah, I'm gonna just brush it like this. And then section off this whole piece right here. Oop, kinda can't see. So this is gonna be my first section. This top, like, kinda weird triangular spot. Now that I have that, I'm just gonna section off my sides right here, and this back area I'm going to section into 3 sections. So I'll do that and be right back. If anybody cares, I learned how to do like roller sets when I was in cosmetology school. That's why I really want to go back to cosmetology school and finish my degree, because I really like doing hair. And even though I hated doing like 40-50 roller sets, it really stuck with me and I like them and it helped me out in the end. Alright, so I got all of my sections. I actually split my hair in the back right here into 4 sections instead of 3 because my head big as hell. So I'm gonna split this one, I think, into 3 sections. And I want my curls to still like hang down some. I don't want them like super close to my like scalp or anything. So I'm only gonna put, like, I'm gonna roll it up, but I'm only gonna put it to like here. Basically like this. Alright, everybody, now that I'm looking like somebody's grandmother or auntie, I'm gonna go sit under my dryer and maybe do something to my face. So yeah, stay tuned for part 2 when we see these lovely curls.